Hey guys, good morning. Jesus Christ, this sounds horrible. Okay, hey guys. Voice still a little. Dang, what is going on? I sound like a little frog. But yeah. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is, I'm gonna say about 1:30, and the last time I worked was like on the 30th of last month, and today is the 10th or 11th. Today's the 11th of June, so see how long that is. I haven't worked for like over a week, but I just got a call and I got assigned airport alert at 5 p.m. So like I said, right now it's like 1:30. I have at least 2 hours to get ready to start heading to the airport. I'm EWR based now, guys, so it means that my commute will be longer than my getting to the airport in San Francisco. So I'm gonna take you guys on and show you guys like how frustrating, well, it's not frustrating, but how long or weird of a commute that it is. So see you guys when I get ready. So I'm dressed and ready, bags packed, and I'm about to head to the airport. So I guess I'll kind of show y'all little clips when I'm getting there, and then I'll explain like how long it takes me to get there and all that. It is approximately 2:58 p.m. But first I have to walk to the deli and get some food because airport food is very expensive and I'm craving a sandwich. So let's go. I just want to give a quick little shout out to the guy who got me from the deli. He got me a whole bag of snacks, a drink, and a sandwich. Currently commuting. Heading to Penn Station, y'all, and it's looking like I'm gonna be late for work because right now it is 3:58. Gotta be there at 5. And I'm not even at Penn Station yet, so pray for me, y'all. I can't afford to be late to work. Like, I just can't. Still a prayer. And let's see if I make it to the NJ Transit on time. Yeah, I'm on time. Alright, I need to chill and be calm and just start saying prayers. This is real. This is real life. Alright, y'all. Okay, so barely 2 hours into my airport alert, I get assigned Boston, which is not so bad. So I am on and we are going to head to Boston for a quick layover. It's like an 11-hour, a 9.5 layover. And then we come back tomorrow. We're flying on the baby plane. It's the 737-700. So, yeah. So, my room is all the way down the hall, so I literally have to walk all the way down to get to my room. Hotel room's nothing fancy, you know, one bed. Haven't got one bed in a while. Why's the camera so close? Oh, it has like the straight mirror. It's kind of cool, fancy. Honestly, y'all, I don't know why I deadheaded in my uniform, but at least I didn't wear my heels. But On to my favorite part of layovers. Yum, yum. Time to eat. I am starving. Hungry. I only ate once today. Shout out to the guy at the deli. Ooh, no view, guys. No view at all. Shout out to the guy at the deli who bought me my sandwich today. And drink and everything. He paid for everything. Such a nice man. I appreciate you. I'm going to show y'all how I check for bed bugs, which is very easy. Anybody can do it. Literally just... No bed bugs. Well, I'm gonna settle in, go to sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. Hello, good morning, guys. So today we're also working at 7:37, which means I am the only one up here, and I'm late. So I'm gonna do my checks and I'll get back to you guys. Yes, we are. You want to say hi? This is Mimi. She's so cute, guys. Like, look at that. But yeah, we're gonna get catered, and then it's 45-minute flight, really short. Thank God. Hopefully we don't get turned when we get there, because I see a 4-day in open time, and I think I'm still good for that. So yeah, wish me luck. Thanks again for joining us on United Flight 2165 from Boston to Newark. My name is Caroline, your flight service coordinator. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along as we review the safety features of this Boeing 737.
I ain't worried about nothing, I ain't worried about nada. You're sitting pretty impatient, girl, I know you gotta put them in hours, baby, make it harder. You're sending pic after picture, girl, get me fired. You know I'm always on the night shift, and you can stand these nights alone. Yeah, you don't need no explanation, 'cause baby, I'm the boss at home. I ain't gotta go to work, 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 but I gotta put in work, 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 work. I ain't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let your body do the work, 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 work. We can work from home, oh, oh. We can work from home, oh, oh.
I am officially off work and I'm back in Queens. It was a very eventful day. It was really nice. The gate agent was really nice. He told me I look like a young, dark Diana Ross slash Naomi Campbell that I always get. Still in my uniform, out here in these Queens streets. Was gonna go see my doctor, but gotta reschedule, so might go get my hair braided. I don't know, we'll see how I'm feeling, but that's, guys. I will see you guys in my next video.
She been there every day for my drama. Some of the homies say, cause they wanna. Wish they the ones was dating my woman. Go and get a good look, cause she fine.